Hello, grade 2. How are you? Our lesson today is lesson 93. For the past two lessons, we have been thinking about subtraction, fact, families, and counting on and back as strategies to help us solve subtraction problems. Today, we are going to solve some story problems. As we know, we have some words in the problem that give us a clue. What should we do when subtract? Such example for these words: spend, giving away, give, how many are left. These all words give us a clue that something was taken from the whole and something is left over. Open your book, page 68. Lesson 93. Apply directions. Solve the story problems. Number 1. Samir made 48 cookies. He gave 22 to his sister Dalia. How many cookies are left? Let's search for the word that gives me a clue that I should make a subtraction. And this word is gave or left. So those words give me a clue that I should make a subtraction problem. So Samir made 48 cookies and he gave 22 cookies to his sister Dalia. So Samir has 48 and he gave 22. So 48 minus 22 equals, excellent, 26 cookies. Type. Can I say that 22 minus 48? Can I do it? Of course I don't. Why? Because we said before that order is important in subtraction. And I always should start with the highest or the biggest number I have. Samir made 48 cookies, so I will start with the 48, not the 22. Okay, the problem number 2 is: in the class there are 35 girls and 13 boys. How many more girls are there than boys? Okay, let's search for the word that gives me a clue that I should make a subtraction problem. Is there give, left, or leftover? I don't have any of these words, but look what I have here. I have more than. So we are asking how many more girls are there than boys. As you know from English, more than means compare between two quantities or two things. And obviously, the girls is more than boys in the class because there are 35 girls. But how many girls are more than boys? So we compare here between two quantities, the girls and the boys. And comparisons can be solved with subtraction. So 35 minus 13 equals 22 girls more than boys in the class. Okay, can I say 13 minus 35? No, of course I can't, because we already said that order is always matter in subtraction problems. and we should start with the highest number or the biggest number. For problem number 3, Lena connected stamps. She had 180 stamps. She gave 20 to her brother. How many does she have left? Let's look for a word that gives me a clue that I should make a subtraction problem. And this word is give or left. So this is a subtraction problem. Jana had 180 stamps and she gave 20. So I will start with 180 and I will take away 20 that she gave her brother. So 180 minus 20 equal, I will subtract ones from ones, tens from tens, and hundreds from hundreds. And it equal 160 stamps. Okay, problem number 4. Matt and Sophia had 28 gifts to wrap. They have wrapped 4. How many more do they need to wrap? Who can tell me the word that gives me a clue that I should make a subtraction problem? Who can tell me? I don't have here gave, or I don't have leftover, I don't have giveaway. What is the problem here? Excellent. More. It gives me a clue that I should make a subtraction problem. This is a comparison here. We compared between two numbers, 28 and 4. So this is a subtraction problem. So they wrapped 28 gifts and they wrapped 4 from them. How much more they need to wrap? Excellent. I will say 28 minus 4, which equal 24 more gifts they need to wrap. Remember that comparisons are a subtraction problem. We can solve subtraction problem as a comparison. Problem number 5. There were 65 people on the bus. At the first stop, 21 people got off. How many people were left on the bus? Who can tell me the word? It gives me the clue that I should make a subtraction problem. Excellent. The word is left. And also the word got off. Got off يعني go away. They're left. Left equal got off. So it's a subtraction problem. At first there were 65. Go away 21. So 65 minus 21, it's equal 44 left on the bus. Remember that order is important in subtraction problem. We can say 21 minus 64. Okay, problem number 6. Jasmine has 25 candies. Walid has 14 candies. How many more candies does Jasmine have? The word here is more. How many more? So it's a comparison between two quantities or two numbers. I'm here compare between the candies with Jasmine and the candies with Walid. So Jasmine has 25 and Walid has 14. So 25 minus 14 equal 11 more candies with Jasmine. So Jasmine has 11 more candies than Walid. So in this lesson we learned about story problems and the world we can see in story problems, which gives me a clue that I should make a subtraction problem. And we learned about comparisons, and comparisons can be solved as a subtraction problems. So if you see give or give away or spend or more than, this is a subtraction problem. So you can make a subtraction problem when you see these words on the problem story. This is the end of our lesson. See you the next lesson. Thank you.